Hey, it's Aaron, and we'll be going through the solution for the Pento T. This puzzle is a level 10 on the Puzzle Master difficulty scale. This puzzle and many others are available at puzzlemaster.ca. The main goal of this puzzle is to place all of the Pento T pieces into this frame. Looking at the pieces, they have this beautiful etching in it, but that also adds to the difficulty of this puzzle, as when you slot the pieces together, it's hard to tell which piece is which now, and on a lot of these flat packing puzzles you might come to a almost finished conclusion, but need to swap a piece here or there, and this makes it nearly impossible with the Pento T. So to start with, we'll grab our first piece, our long piece here, and we'll place it right in the corner. I do want to add that these two markings, you want them to be in the orientation you see here, and the two pins. The frame isn't totally symmetrical, so you do need this set up for my solution to work. It also might take a hot minute just to find these pieces. They are very distinct, but they kind of blend together for me, just a little bit. So we'll place that one here, and I'll actually show you it, and slowly where it went. Our next piece is this one. And we will just place it right there. We will grab this piece next. So as I was saying before, you really can't tell once you got them in there where your pieces went. It's a very cool puzzle design, I really like it, but yeah, it definitely adds to the difficulty of this one. So, this piece will go right there. This will be our next piece. And it will go like this into here. This piece here, we'll just slot right there. go for this corner piece next. So just in that corner. We can go with this guy next. This will act as our corner, our final corner. That's cool, putting that last piece and just disappears. But then again, all of them kind of did that, but that last piece is satisfying. So, thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, we have plenty more like it on our YouTube channel. Haven't had enough? Join our community on Facebook. Want more puzzles? We have a massive catalog of puzzles at puzzlemaster.ca.